what's up guys, it's Callie. So, I'm doing something on Canva for one of my business pages, and I figured what the hell, I might as well just record it, and maybe it'll help somebody. So, I chose a Facebook cover over here on Canva. So right here, Facebook cover. And it was a blank canvas. This is an old photo that I had made, a little pic collage, and I just like the looks of it. I like the quotes. It says 10 years from now, make sure you can say that you chose your life, you didn't settle for it, and then just go. This is an old picture of me actually in my little uniform from when I sold timeshare. Isn't that awful? But anyway, so I like the looks of it. I kind of had an idea to make a cover photo and just make it look kind of tropical-y, the lifestyle. So anyway, I like this. I like the yellow on the background, but see, the yellow clashes with the white a little bit because of what else I want to put on it. So I came over here to backgrounds, and the color wasn't here. I tried a couple of these, they didn't work, and so I actually made one, and you can go in here and do that, and I'm going to change it first, and then you can go, I'll show you. See, they have the color wheel, and you can adjust it and pick whatever color you want. But this one here was pretty close. I'm going to stretch it out just a little bit because I see it has like a little white corner on the end, and we don't want that to show up. Well, it still is there, but not too bad. Not as bad as it was, so we'll leave it. So see, now it all kind of blends together. You can't really see the border in the background. Like, it's not quite the right color, but it's as close as I can get it. So we're going to rock with it. So now I'm going to go back down to uploads. And I'm going to put a few other older pictures from Hawaii on here. I just want it to be like a really kind of fun and branded cover photo for my FreeSpiritSolutions page. So, and what I was thinking is I can leave like little gaps, and then it'll be like it's all one big collage, right? Like based off of the other one. You see what I'm doing there? So now with this picture, it's kind of big, so I'm going to crop it. I'm going to come up here, crop. Hope I'm not going too fast. I'm really used to Canva, so but if you guys play around with it, you're gonna get used to it too, and you'll love it just as much as I do. It's like my best friend. Why isn't this going down? Okay, there it goes. Didn't want to cooperate with me. So let's leave a little bit more ocean. How's that? I'm going to bring it in this way a little bit. So there we go. Hit the check mark. And now we have our little cropped picture. I'm going to put that like over here. So the only thing with Canva is a lot of times it will look good, it'll look beautiful on your desktop, but on your mobile version, on your phone, it's not so good. Like, everything will be cut off. So you have to kind of squish the important stuff of your cover photo to the middle. Like, everything that you want them to see needs to kind of be like this general area here, like kind of where I have this row and these things over here. I like this picture, but I don't care so much about it because I have my uniform on. Like, you kind of can't tell, but we're not doing uniform life anymore. We're doing, be your own boss life. Okay. So, there we go. There's that. It's not perfect. I'm going to fix it later. I have to have my little spaces perfect or it's going to bug me. So now, I want to put on my little Instagram name. So I'm going to crop this because the corners are ugly. I like the old style icon for Instagram better than the new like rainbowy one that they have going on. And I feel like people still recognize this, so it's okay to use it. So, again, I'm just cropping. I'm going to crop off those weird white corners on it. If you upload PNG files, you won't have to deal with that. They'll have transparent backgrounds. So now we cropped it, we can shrink it back down. I gotta watch my time here too, guys. My little video shuts off after like 10 or 15 minutes. So, okay, we'll fix the sizes here in a minute. This is bugging me, that's just a tiny bit of yellow at the top, so let's fix that. Okay, that looks pretty even. It's better. This is too big. It takes me forever to do a Canva design because I want everything to be like lined up perfectly. I want it to look all super professional and shit. If you guys don't have patience, you can ask me and I'll totally make you one. Like, that's why my stuff's all a mess in here, because I make stuff for people. It's fun, I like it. So what else should we put on here? We need text. Let's put text on. So we're gonna go over here, click on text. Someone's texting me, hold on. So we're gonna come to text and let's put just a little, we'll put my little Instagram handle first. And so at and I can't even see it, so we'll come up here, change the color. Let's just make it white for right now so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, and we hate the font, so let's change that. So with mine, I have to be careful what font I use because I have a 0 in my screen name, and sometimes you cannot tell that it's a 0 or an L. So I usually like this font. Let's see if it shows up enough. Maybe. I'm going to move that. So we have to click off on Canva. You have to click off on it. My computer's going to run slow now. Okay, and I'm going to move it down. I like to overlap stuff. I do that a lot. You can see it, but you can't see it. So let's, like, I don't know, maybe yellow or purple. This isn't live, so I can't ask you guys for your opinions. Let's just try this color and see. Nah, it's still not really bright. Okay, I'm heating everything. Actually, the black kind of works on there. It shows up pretty good. Kind of. I might change the font. Anyway, you guys get the idea. So now we're going to have a bigger font. And this is going to say my website. Oops. Oh my gosh, thing. Really? I'm getting mad. It's just running slow. It doesn't like when I record stuff. So we're going to go free. Okay, that's way too big and way ugly. So let's, maybe let's make that one this font. No, I hate it. Don't you guys hate when you're trying to pick something and you want to do it kind of quick because you have other shit to do, but then you just can't decide? Is it just me? I'm a pretty indecisive person, actually. No, I hate that. Canva has so many fonts, and like normally I would think that's a really good feature, but I actually kind of hate it because then you spend a lot of time like checking each one because you think you're going to find the absolute perfect font when really you should have picked one like 10 times ago. So I like that font, but you can't really see it. Let's make it black. Let's make it smaller, maybe. I still feel like it's kind of getting lost. Oh, maybe like that. Or over here. What if we do this? I'm sorry. I should move on and mess around with this later because you guys are probably like, really? So that's really all I wanted to show you guys. And then I was going to go put it on my page. If you don't know how to do that, you go to your page and you hit this change cover, upload photo, or choose from something you already have. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I feel like this was a really boring tutorial. I'll make a more entertaining one for you guys later, but it's like 3 in the morning, so I have to end it. If you're not using Canva or PicMonkey or something of the sort to create your own branded content, you really should. That's probably the thing that your business is lacking. So check it out. It's easy and free. Love yous.